In this video, we'll learn about logical operators. Logical operators are useful for writing compound conditional statements. So already in the previous video, we have learned about conditional statements. Conditions, we can define some condition. For writing conditional statement, we use relational operators, that is less than, greater than, or equal to. So whatever the operators are, we can use these operators for writing the condition. So we have written some program in the previous video. Now, if I have more than one conditions, how to join them? Suppose I have two conditions, that is x is less than y, as well as I have one more condition, that is x is less than z. So x, y, z are some variables. I want to combine these two conditions. What is the method of combining them? So if I combine, then that will be called as compound conditional statement. So that compound conditional statement can be formed using logical operators that are and or. And not is used for negating the statement, means if it is true it will become false or vice versa. And or are used for making a compound conditional statement. So these operations are interesting. These are logical. For and in C++ symbol is double ampersand, and for or it is double pipe. You will find it on the keyboard somewhere near enter key. You will find this. You have to hold shift for this one. So this is a pipe. So these are the operators for and or. Now how they work? If I use and, how it works? See, it is logical. So that depends upon its truth values. So that we will see using a truth table. So first let us look at and. If I take an example from daily life, see, when we talk, we use this word and for joining two sentences, right? So what is the meaning of that and? No doubt we are joining two statements or sentences, but and plays what role? So let us observe that clearly. So I'll take one example. Through that I will explain you what does it mean by and. See, if I say that I am wearing black t-shirt and a cap. So I have combined two statements. So let me elaborate once again. I am wearing black t-shirt and I am wearing a cap. So two statements are there. I have joined them with and. So now you tell me what I said just now. Is it true? Is it true? Let us check it. T-shirt. This is first statement. I'm not writing a full sentence. I am wearing t-shirt. Then next one is I am wearing cap. Now these two are two different sentences, right? Next, I will combine these two by using and. So t-shirt is one statement and I will write that word and instead of using operator, so that in C++ you have to use operators, right? Then this is cap. Now I have two statements, these two statements, right? Now look at this. I am wearing t-shirt, true. Suppose I am wearing cap, then also it's true. Then if I say I am wearing t-shirt and I am wearing cap, will the complete statement be true or false? It will be true if I am wearing a cap. is truth table for and. So now we can understand when and will be true. If both the statements are true, then only it will be true. If any one statement is false, then the result of and is false. So for preparing compound conditional statements, when you are joining these two, and if you are writing and in between them, then if this is true and this is also true, then only the entire statement will be true. If any one of the statement is false, then the result of and is false. So this is true, but this is false, suppose, then the result is false. This logical operation works on Boolean values, that is true and false only, right? And the result is again true and false. This should be very much clear for you, right? Now next we will see OR operation. So for OR operation, I will use these two only, and I will just change this one. I'll remove this and I'll make a table for OR. Yes, it's ready for OR now. I have two statements. I am wearing t-shirt, I am wearing cap. Next, let me read it out. I am wearing t-shirt or I am wearing cap. These are two statements. I have combined them with OR. OR means either this or that. Yes, the word or now it gives the clear meaning, right? This or that. And means this also and that also, both. But or means this or that, right? So let us see how it works. So I will take these examples and show you. If both the statements are true, suppose I am wearing a cap. So I am wearing t-shirt, true. I am wearing cap, true. Both are true. So my statement is true. Yes, this is true. Now second one. I am wearing t-shirt. Yes, I am wearing t-shirt. True. Then I am wearing cap. I am not wearing cap. It's false. It's false. Now let me complete the statement. I am wearing t-shirt or I am wearing cap. So or means this one is true, right? T-shirt is true. So this is true. So in case of or, this is true. Now let us come to the second one. Next one. Third one. See, false. I am not wearing t-shirt, suppose. But I am wearing cap. So if I tell the statement that I am wearing t-shirt or I am wearing cap. So if I am not wearing t-shirt but I am wearing cap, then my statement is true because I said or. So this is true. Next, last one. Both are false. I am neither wearing t-shirt nor wearing a cap, but I am saying that I am wearing t-shirt or I am wearing cap. So none of them is true. Suppose none of them is true, then this is false. This is the truth table for or. Now how to remember this one? If any one of them is true, it will be true. This is true, so it is true. This is true, so this is true. Both are false, then false. So the difference between and or is, in and, if one is false, everything is false. In or, if one is true, everything is true. This way you can remember it. So it means, in this one, if I write or, right, in C++ program, if I write or, if this is true and this is false, then also the result is true. And even if this is false but this is true, then also result is true. If both are true, then also result is true. And when it will be false, if both the conditions are false, then it will be false. So this is how logical operators are useful for combining conditions. Mostly students get confused here in the beginning that to write two conditions, they write comma or they leave blank. No, conditional statement, two conditional statement using relational operators that are joined using logical operators. Then one last thing I have to show you, that is not. So I'll just remove this table and I'll show you not. Now the last operator, that is not. Not is used for negating a statement. Negating means if it is true, it will become false. If it is false, it will become true. So if suppose I am wearing t-shirt, if it is true, then not of that one means not I am wearing t-shirt. So really I am wearing t-shirt, right? True. But not means it is false. Not wearing t-shirt. So it is false. Next. I am wearing t-shirt. Suppose false. I am not wearing t-shirt. But I said I am wearing t-shirt. I am wearing t-shirt. Now if you make not of that statement, means not wearing, that is true. So it will be true. So if your statement is true, then negation will become false, and if it is false, then the negation will become true. This is very useful. So it looks simple, and right now it may look useless, but it is very useful. Where it is useful, I'll show you in some other topic. So that's all about these logical operators. These are used for writing compound conditional statement. We will see how to use them In the next video, I will write a program and show you.